Have you ever caught yourself stealing glances at your crush, hoping they'd notice you too? It's natural to want to connect with someone you admire, but sometimes it feels like a puzzle with missing pieces. What makes them smile? What makes them intrigued? What draws them closer? Today, we're going to uncover 8 powerful ways to attract your crush, but this isn't about playing games or trying to be someone you're not. Instead, these tips focus on showcasing the real you and building a connection based on authenticity, respect, and mutual admiration. Stick with me until the end. Tip number 8 might just shift your entire perspective on what truly works when it comes to attraction. Tip number 1, confidence speaks louder than words. Let's kick things off with the single most attractive quality you can possess: confidence. Have you ever noticed how confident people light up a room? It's not because they're perfect, it's because they're comfortable in their own skin. Confidence isn't about arrogance or showing off, it's about knowing your worth and embracing it. Start by practicing small habits that boost your self-esteem. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and make eye contact. Even something as simple as a smile can radiate confidence. If you're feeling nervous, fake it until you make it. Pretending to be confident can actually help you feel more self-assured over time. Another key to building confidence is recognizing your strengths. What makes you unique? Maybe you're creative, a great listener, or you have a knack for making people laugh. Lean into these qualities. They're what make you stand out. Tip number 2, connect over shared interests. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to bond with someone over a shared passion? Whether it's music, sports, books, or even a favorite food, common interests create a natural bridge between two people. When it comes to your crush, take the time to learn what excites them. You don't need to pry, just start with casual observations or questions. For example, if they're always talking about a TV show, ask them what they like about it. If they're into fitness, you could say, "I've been meaning to try something new. Any recommendations?" Once you discover a shared interest, use it as an opportunity to spend more time together. Maybe it's suggesting a coffee shop they mentioned or inviting them to join a group activity. The key here is authenticity. Don't pretend to like something just to impress them. Tip number 3, dress to impress, but keep it authentic. We've all heard the saying, dress for success, and it absolutely applies when trying to catch your crush's eye. But here's the twist. It's not about following trends or wearing expensive outfits. It's about presenting yourself in a way that makes you feel good. Choose clothes that reflect your personality and boost your confidence. Are you more laid back? Opt for casual but polished looks. Love bold colors? Incorporate them into your wardrobe. When you feel comfortable in your own skin, it shows. Beyond clothing, don't underestimate the power of grooming. Cleanliness, well-kept hair, and a light spritz of a favorite fragrance can make a world of difference. These small details show that you take care of yourself, which is incredibly appealing. Tip number 4, become an active listener. Let's talk about one of the most underrated skills in attraction: listening. Imagine pouring your heart out to someone only to realize they're not really paying attention. Feels disappointing, right? Now flip that. When someone listens to you, it feels validating and special. When talking to your crush, put your phone away and focus entirely on them. Practice active listening by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and repeating back key points. For instance, if they mention they're nervous about an upcoming presentation, you could say, "That sounds stressful. How are you preparing for it?" Active listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about understanding emotions. By showing genuine interest, you create a safe space for them to open up, deepening your connection. Tip number 5, let humor work its magic. Think about the people you love spending time with. Chances are they make you laugh. Humor is a universal connector, and it's one of the quickest ways to make your crush feel comfortable around you. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian to be funny. Start by being playful and lighthearted. Share a funny meme or recount a silly story from your day. If they tell a joke, laugh. It shows you're engaged and enjoying their company. Remember, humor doesn't have to be forced. Sometimes, just pointing out something amusing in your surroundings can spark shared laughter. Keep it respectful, though. Avoid jokes that might offend or embarrass them. Tip number 6. Show genuine support. Everyone appreciates someone who has their back. One of the most attractive qualities you can display is being genuinely supportive of your crush's goals and dreams. If they're working on a project, ask how it's going and offer encouragement. Celebrate their wins, whether it's acing an exam, getting a promotion, or simply overcoming a challenge. Even a small comment like, "I'm so proud of you," can mean the world to them. Support isn't just about the big moments, it's about being there during the tough times too. If they're feeling down, lend a listening ear or remind them of their strengths. By being their cheerleader, you're showing them that you genuinely care about their happiness. Tip number 7. Be yourself, flaws and all. Here's the truth. Trying to be someone you're not is exhausting. While it might be tempting to put on a perfect front for your crush, authenticity is what truly builds connections. Let your personality shine, quirks and all. If you love geeking out about a niche topic or have a unique sense of humor, don't hide it. These traits make you memorable and set you apart from everyone else. Being yourself also means being honest about your intentions. If you're interested in someone, it's okay to show it in small, thoughtful ways. Authenticity breeds trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Tip number 8. Build a foundation of friendship. Last but certainly not least, focus on building a genuine friendship with your crush. Why? Because friendship lays the groundwork for a deeper connection. Spend time getting to know them in casual settings. Join group activities or suggest hanging out in a low-pressure environment. As you spend more time together, you'll naturally learn more about each other's values, interests, and personalities. Friendship also allows you to show your best qualities without the pressure of impressing them. Over time, this bond can grow into something more meaningful. And if it doesn't, you've gained a wonderful friend, which is a win in itself. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few mistakes to steer clear of. 1. Overthinking every interaction. Attraction isn't about perfection. Relax and be yourself. 2. Being too pushy. Respect their boundaries and let things develop naturally. 3. Playing games. Honesty and authenticity will always win over manipulation. Attracting your crush doesn't have to feel like a guessing game. By focusing on confidence, authenticity, and genuine connection, you can create a meaningful bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. These 8 tips, from building a strong friendship to mastering active listening, are about being the best version of yourself while showing your crush who you truly are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth. Let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most, or share your own advice for attracting someone special. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to attract someone is by staying true to yourself.